Good morning, dear students. As we are continuing lesson number 12 from our Navneet practice workbook. This is the lesson of Smart Chart. Previous lecture we completed up to question number 2 from lesson number 12. Now we will start from question number 3. Look over here. 100 children were asked about their favorite cartoon. The detail is given in the following table. Indicate it on pie chart. Here the list name of the cartoon and here the number of children like this. First, Dora and Boots, number of children 50. Then Alibaba, number of children 25. Shiva, number of children 15. Motu Patlu, number of children 10. Here is the pie chart given. So maximum number it's 50. So the first part, that is half of the circle, this is 50, that is Dora and Boots. Here you have to write Dora and Boots. Next, the number is 25. 25 means Alibaba. So this is the second biggest part. So write over here Alibaba. Third biggest part is 15, that is Shiva. So here it is 15. Write over here Shiva. And the least part, most least part, that is Motu Patlu 10. So here I am writing Motu Patlu. Now the next question is question number 4. Details of favorite fruit of students of a classroom is shown in the following pie chart. Answer the questions on its basis. This is the pie chart. Maximum portion occupied mango. After that, banana and apple, same over here. Grapes. And the least portion orange and guava. Now move forward for the questions. First question, which is the most favorite fruit of students? Just now seen over here, maximum, that is mango. So write over here most favorite fruit, that is mango. Question number 2, which is the least favorite fruit of students? सबसे कम पसंद. See here orange and guava, these two are occupy same space. So write over here orange and guava. Orange and guava. Question number 3. Do half of the students in the classroom like apple and banana? Yes or no? See, half of the students like apple or banana? No, this is not half. Not half portion. So write over here no. Number 4, if the number of students in the classroom is 60, then how many students do like grapes? That means if in total circle means 60, so half means this much portion, 30 and 30. So out of 30, these two, that is banana and grapes, occupy same space, and these two are small, so this much only 30. So if I divide it 10 plus 10, that is 20, these two are equal and these two so small, 20, then 5 and 5, 30. So the space occupied by grapes is 10. That's why write over here 10. Question number 5. Detail of books published by a publisher is given in the following table. Answer the following questions on the basis. Time, in the beginning, number of books 5. जब शुरुआत हुआ था then 5. After 1 year it increases 12. That means 7 ज़्यादा increase हुआ है. 2 year it increase 31. That means 12 पर से अगर 31 आते तो 19 books increase हुए. Next after 3 years it is 76. So 31 में से 76, that means 45 books increased. 4 years, after 4 years it comes 165, that is 89 books increased. 5 years, the number of books are 358, so increased 193. So after 6 years, obviously increased it more than 200. And after 7 years, it is increased more than 300. Now, our first question. After every year, the number of books, option A, was less than 2 times the number of books of last year, was 2 times the number of books of last year. Option C was more than 2 times the number of books last year. See, here it is 5 and then 12. तो 5 को अगर डबल करें we get 10. तो more than 2 times. Here it is 19 gapping. So 19 means 12, 24. So near about 2 times. 19 plus 19, 38. Here it is 48, more than. 45 plus 45, that is 90, near about 90, 89. So it will increase more than 2 times. That is the C option is right answer. Question number 2. After 6 years, the number of published books will reach nearest to which number? 500, option B, 700, option C, 600. So after 6 years it will come 358, then it will come near about 700. Next question. After how many years will the number of published books cross the number 1200? Yani near about after 7 years it will come 1200 books. So the first answer is appropriate. Option number A is more appropriate. Come for the next question. Question number 6. How much time does Mayank take to finish his homework? The detail is given in the following chart. Answer the questions on its basis. See here, days, x-axis, days, and y-axis, minute. Sunday, it is 50. Monday, it is 80. Tuesday, 40. Wednesday, 60. Thursday, 70. Friday, it is 50. And Saturday, it is 30. So now the questions are: how much time does Mayank take to finish his homework on Tuesday? See, this is Tuesday. Tuesday, it is 40. So write over here 40 minutes. Question number 2. On which day does Mayank take the most time to finish his homework, and how much? Maximum time. It is Monday, that is 80 minutes. So write over here Monday 80 minutes. Question number 3. On which day does Mayank take the least time to finish his homework? How much? See here, it is Saturday, that is 30 minutes. So write over here Saturday 30 minutes. Number 4. On which 2 days does Mayank take the same time to finish his homework? Same time. See here, it is 50 and 50, that is Sunday and Friday. So write over here Sunday and Friday. Next question. How much more time does Mayank take to finish his homework on Thursday than Wednesday? See here, it is Wednesday, that is 60, and Thursday, that is 70. So 70 minus 60, that is 10 minutes more. He take 10 minutes more time. Question number 6. How much less time does Mayank take to finish his homework on Saturday than Sunday? See here, it is Saturday, that is 30, and Sunday, it is 50. So 50 minus 30 equal to 20 minutes. The difference between the time Saturday and Sunday is 20 minutes.